Hey, what's up, guys? Ant here, and today we are going to be taking live text and converting it to a shape. All right, the only thing we have to do, let's pull up Illustrator and let's type out something real quick. So let's see. Okay, make this a little bit bigger here. Want to resize it and keep it proportionate. Hit Alt and Shift, click a corner and drag up like so. Okay, now the first thing we have to do with our text layer selected, let's head up to Type and go to Create Outlines. Create Outlines, and that removes the live function, and so now we are ready to expand our object here. First line of business, let's go ahead and what do we want to do? Let's pull down some guides here. Hit Control R, pull up our ruler, and let's pull down some guides like so. I think that looks good. Pull down another for the bottom. Okay, let's lock these guides here so they don't move. Now what Illustrator does is it automatically places your object or objects into a group once you expand the appearance or like you create outlines. So this whole text right here is going to be one solid group, but we can go ahead and ungroup it by hitting Control Shift and G, and now we ungroup the entire thing, and now we can work with each letter or each font or each object individually. Okay, so I am seeing this E needs to be a little bit smaller, so let's do something like so. Hit Shift and drag a corner, move this over. Let's drag it up just a little bit. That looks good. Move this over until it looks good. I think that will work. Pull these over till the lines kind of line up there. Okay, now what I think I'll do here is let's focus on our letter N, and let's go ahead and go down to the bottom. Let's see where this is at. We want to make this kind of line up with this bottom of the R. Let's see, let's pull it over to about like so. That works. Then what we'll do is we will take the bottom of this in here. So let's just grab our direct selection tool, hit A, and then we will just grab just the bottom two nodes or anchor points here, and let's just move on up. Shift and up arrow. Okay, let's zoom in so we can get it a little bit better. Now up arrow. Move this to where it's flush. There we go. Okay, now let's take our S and we will Alt and Shift to make it about the same size as the E here. And pull this up. That looks good. Now let's take the INS and let's move that over. Let's see. Oh, not bad, guys. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. Okay, let's make sure these line up. Pull it in just a little bit. There we go. Oh, that's not bad at all. Let's move this over just a couple more. 1, 2. I think that will do it. And as you can see, the possibilities are absolutely endless. And with that being said, that is how we convert live text into shapes in Illustrator. Like always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.